My name is Hannah Heil. I'm normally known as Mushopi Adi Heil, and some people call me Shupi. The reason I'm telling you that is because I've got a life in South Africa and a bit here as well, but I actually live here.
Hello, my name is Juhi and I have a Facebook live show where I interview social entrepreneurs, and it's called a #Juhi Approved Live Show. So I actually just interviewed Aling, which was so much fun.
So my business is called Resonance Dynamics. I was so excited to be in this pop-up business school because while I was here I got to sign up, create a website from scratch in one day. It was absolutely incredibly inspiring just to do that. That night I couldn't sleep, I have to say, so I haven't slept for a couple of days just purely out of excitement.
I saw it advertised on Facebook, and one of the things it talked about was how you can start your own social enterprise, and I was currently in the process of figuring out how to monetize not just the live show but create a business that incorporates it, and that's what motivated me. And it was a week-long free course. I was like, why not?
And what I learned from here, which is what I came for, was to look for ways to do what I want to do easily, simply, and without debt.
Oh my gosh. Dr. Ann Miller, thank you so much for doing this for us, because this has been so helpful and so incredible.
Thank you so much for making it possible, in particular to Anne, for having the insight and the foresight to have it done. And I feel truly privileged to have been included, even though I'm a prospective student in the MBA program.
And getting something this disruptive and innovative into a university setting, I think, is the best way to go forward.
I will say this was the best 5 days I've spent in a long time.
What are you waiting for? This is honestly the best startup, entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship workshop program, whatever I have ever attended, and I can tell you this was phenomenal.
So take the time, take the energy, it's well worth it.